Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again going to learn some really awesome tips and tutorials on how to make different stuff. Starting off from the first one, as you can see and learn, we'll learn how to make this easy drawing or art of this tree. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this really cute looking tiger who has a really cute face, big eyes, and then we'll use the help of some straws to make the body of the tiger, and then we'll put the straws in the paper cup, and then we'll paste the face on the head of the straw or on the top part. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll create this beautiful one by following the steps and cutting the paper and folding it as shown accordingly step by step to create this beautiful looking fish who has really beautiful wings and eyes. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using some circular shaped paper which is folded into a really short circle or a 1/4 part of the circle, and then we'll create this into a beautiful umbrella which looks really beautiful and colorful, and we'll complete it by making the stick of it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using a small sheet of paper and folding it accordingly one by one from many halves, and then we'll create a triangular shape on the top of it, and then we'll totally create it into a diamond shape, and then we'll keep folding the paper accordingly as shown to follow the steps as shown to make this. After folding, we'll insert the paper into the hole, as you can see and learn, which is made in the paper to create this beautiful frog which looks really awesome and can jump. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are using a paper cup. We'll cut the paper cup accordingly as shown into a shape of a crown, and then we'll decorate the crown by some flowers and etc. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are again taking a big piece of paper, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly to make this really beautiful bag which looks really awesome. We'll learn how to make this bag which totally looks like a shirt. We'll first make the collars and then the pockets of the bag, and then we'll add a bow tie on the shirt and then strings of the bag. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll take some help of some leaves which we'll cut into a really beautiful shape and create it into a really beautiful butterfly which looks really awesome. We'll then take some markers which are of different colors and color the leaf into a really beautiful butterfly's wings and create it a totally butterfly. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll use some paper, and for the beginning we'll cut the paper into smaller layers as shown or as followed in the video. We'll follow the steps accordingly, and then we'll create or take a different piece of paper to make the stem of this really beautiful looking flower which looks really awesome. We'll then add one by one the different colored papers which we have taken, and then we'll add some leaves on the stem to make it look more beautiful. Thank you for watching the video.